In today's competitive industrial environment, organizations are under growing pressure to achieve operational excellence while managing aging infrastructure, tightening budgets, and increasing regulatory scrutiny. Amid this growing list of challenges lies the critical need to accurately identify and prioritize critical assets. Asset criticality is the process of determining which physical assets have the greatest potential impact on safety, financial outcomes, and other essential factors. Getting criticality right directly enables smarter resource allocation, reduces unplanned downtime, and minimizes safety and environmental risks. Yet many organizations still struggle with a foundational question: which of our assets truly matter most? Despite available tools and guidance, asset criticality processes often remain inconsistent, overly complex, or outdated, which can cause misclassified critical assets, inflated costs, and diluted focus on real risks to safety and operations. In this article, we'll explore why many criticality processes fall short, what a streamlined approach looks like, and how ReVisionz helps organizations implement a scalable criticality methodology that drives real business value. The problem with consequence-only methodology. A common pitfall in asset criticality assessments is evaluating assets solely based on the severity of potential failure consequences. This consequence-only approach might consider serious outcomes like safety incidents or environmental damage, and then label those assets as critical. While consequence is an important factor, relying on it alone can overinflate the number of assets deemed critical because it ignores the likelihood of failure. For example, a piece of equipment may have severe consequences if it fails, but if it's extremely unlikely to fail due to robust design or redundant systems, then it may not warrant the same level of priority or resources. This is why standards such as ISO 55000 and guidance from the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, SMRP, the Global Forum on Maintenance and Asset Management, GFMAM, and the Institute of Asset Management, IAM, all advocate for a risk-based approach to asset criticality processes. Risk is the combination of consequence and likelihood. By considering both, organizations gain a more accurate picture of which assets truly require the most attention, budget, and maintenance effort. A true risk-based methodology, supported by these leading industry bodies, results in a more realistic, sustainable, and value-driven asset management strategy. Criticality. Assessment. More than a one-time exercise. Asset criticality is not a checkbox item. It's a cultural and systematic discipline that must be designed, embedded, and sustained within an organization. When done right, criticality assessments directly influence and improve decision-making in areas such as asset management or care. Plans. Ensuring maintenance activities are aligned to the actual risk profile of each asset to reduce unnecessary work. Spare parts. Management. Optimizing inventory levels by understanding which assets are truly critical. Asset integrity management. Prioritizing inspections, testing, and integrity assurance tasks based on the actual risk assets pose. Capital investment decisions. Informing capital allocation by highlighting assets that carry the most business risk if not upgraded or replaced. Work management. Driving smarter work. Prioritization and backlog management through clear criticality rankings. Defect elimination. Identifying and eliminating chronic issues in high-risk areas. Shutdown management. Enabling more effective scoping and scheduling of critical work during limited windows. Without a structured approach to asset criticality, even the most sophisticated asset management systems cannot achieve their full potential. To truly support asset management maturity, criticality must be embedded into day-to-day workflows, reinforced through training and metrics, and championed by leadership. Smarter asset criticality. Delivered at scale. At ReVisionz, we've worked with clients across the sectors to address these challenges head-on. Our solution is a streamlined criticality process that combines the best of risk-based thinking with a rule-based methodology designed for speed, consistency, and scalability. Our methodology is built in strict alignment with the global standards listed above. Additionally, we've combined these foundations with real-world insights from decades of client engagements to deliver a fit-for-purpose solution that works regardless of your industry. Key benefits: hybrid risk plus rule-based approach. We go beyond risk assessment by embedding rule-based logic to drive consistency across thousands of assets. This hybrid model eliminates subjective guesswork while preserving technical nuance. Time savings of 40 to 65%. Depending on asset volume and data readiness, clients have realized significant efficiency gains. This reduces time spent on assessments without compromising quality. Issue diagnosis. Our process helps organizations identify and correct issues in asset hierarchy, asset classification, and data inconsistencies, creating a stronger foundation for long-term asset management. Scalable and repeatable. The process is designed to be easily replicated across sites, facilities, or business units, enabling organizational learning and continuous improvement. System integration. Ready. The output is structured to integrate seamlessly with enterprise asset management, EAM, and computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, such as SAP, Maximo, Oracle, Infor, etc. By combining industry-aligned risk principles with streamlined rule-based logic, ReVisionz delivers a practical and scalable approach to asset criticality. Culture, governance, and sustainability. Criticality assessments should be fully integrated into your organization's asset management practices rather than treated as a standalone task. When they are disconnected from daily operations, governance, and decision-making, they fail to drive measurable results. For asset prioritization to deliver lasting value, it must be supported by strong governance structures, embedded into day-to-day processes and reinforced through training, ownership, and performance metrics. ReVisionz helps organizations build this foundation by aligning criticality methodology with operational goals, risk tolerance, and business strategy. By systematizing criticality and aligning it with asset management plans, we help organizations unlock the full potential of risk-based maintenance, optimized work planning, better resource allocation, and reduced downtime. Turn criticality into competitive advantage. Asset-intensive organizations can no longer afford to misidentify or misprioritize their critical assets. In a world where every hour of downtime, every incident, and every dollar spent matters, you need an approach that is accurate, efficient, and aligned with the highest industry standards. ReVisionz helps clients across the globe rethink and re-engineer how criticality is defined, deployed, and sustained. Our hybrid criticality methodology delivers both speed and substance to help you build a stronger foundation for asset management that translates directly into reduced downtime, safer operations, lower maintenance costs, and better capital planning. If you're ready to reduce complexity, improve decision-making, and drive sustainable asset performance, our team is ready to guide you through a proven path to smarter asset prioritization. About the contributor. As Associate Partner, Intelligent Asset Management at ReVisionz, Henry Adarighofua, P.Eng Sar M.Eng, AMA-CPM, CCPSC, CAAM, CRMP, MMBA, leads teams to enhance asset and data management programs for industrial clients. With over 18 years of experience in heavy industry operations, he brings deep technical knowledge and project leadership to initiatives that improve asset integrity, close data gaps, and drive informed decision-making. Skilled in platforms like Maximo, SAP, and Virum, Henry supports clients in building reliability processes, defining strategic roadmaps, and aligning maintenance strategies with business goals,